Hi, in the previous lecture we've added the pagination to our blog, and in this video we will start adding the about us, the contact, and we will connect everything to our site, and we also need to add a home. So let's start. First of all, let's take a look at our front end. We have an about page, so let's open it and take some information from this to build our models. So we have image, and we have a title, and we have body, and we have also some information like what chooses the quality, the food, fresh food, friendly stuff, and so on. And we have the chef. This is like team. So we need to add all of this information to our site. So first of all, let's open our server. Let's clear the screen and let's create a new app. Python manage.py start app, and we will say about us. Yeah, hit enter and run the server again. We said before, when we create a new app, the first thing we do is we add this app to installed apps in our settings.py. So let's do this. Let's open our project settings.py, and here we will add our new app, the about us app. Yeah. And now let's open this app models and let's creating our model. First of all, let's open the front end again. So we have like about us section. This is the title, image, and body. So let's do this. Class, let's create a new model, and we will say about us. This will inherit from models.model. We have a title, we have a content, we have an image. Okay. Now we need to create another model for what choose us. So let's create this. Class y choose us model. So we have, let's see, we have like a title and a content. So we can do this in many ways actually. So let's say that we will create it like title and the content and so on. So here I'm gonna say title and content, and we have the third model, our chef. And this is a new model for restaurant chef. We need to add an image, title, subtitle, and content. So we're gonna say class chef, models.model, and we have a name, and we have a subtitle, and we have a content, or let's say bio, and we have an image. So we have the name, the title, the subtitle or title, whatever, This is the bio and this is the image. Okay, so let's add those models. This is the title is models.core field with max length equal to, let's see, 50, and we have this content is models.text field. Sorry, yeah, and we have this image is an image field, so we're gonna say models.image field, and we have upload to option equal to, and this is about us, so we're gonna say about underscore us slash here. And here, what chooses, we're gonna say this is a models.core field with max length equal to 50 also, and the content is models.text field. Okay, the last model we have the name, this is a models.core field, and yeah, we need to add max length 50 also, and the subtitle or the title of this chef gonna be also models.core field max length equal to 50 also, and the bio is models.text field, and the image models.text field. Yeah, we forgot to upload this. Yeah. And the image is a models.image field with upload to option equal to, and let's say chef. Yeah. So now we've added our three models for about us. We have about us, why choose us, chef, and so on. So here, max length. Yeah, this is an X. Let's refresh our server. Image. This I is capital. Yeah. So now, after we've changed something in our models, we need to make migration first. Make migrations. Then we've created three models. We need to apply this three models in our database. So we will say Python manage.py migrate. Okay, let's run the server again. And do not forget, after you create make migration migrate, you need to add those three models to our admin.py. So here we would say from .models import, and let's say about us, and why choose us, and chef. And here I'm gonna say register. This is an autocomplete extension for VS Code, and this will create admin.site to register for you. And I'll type about us. Here register for why choose us, and register for chef. Yeah, let's save this. Let's make sure our server is running well. Yeah, and here let's refresh our admin. We have about us. We have about us. There is something wrong in the plural name, and we will fix it as we always do. And our chef, and why choose Python. Okay. So first, let's add our method and class in every model as we did for every model we made. So I'm gonna say class mirror and here I'm gonna say verbose name equal to and verbose name plural equal to. Okay, and here I'm gonna define our str method, which will return self dot. And I'm gonna take this copy, put in here, and put in here also. Here we're gonna say about us, and this is also about us. This will return self.title. Here for why choose us, we're gonna say why choose us. And this also why choose us. And this will return self.title. And here this is chef, and this is also chef. This will return self.name. So let's refresh the page. We have about us, chef, and what chooses. Okay, so now let's add this information. I'm gonna say add about us, the title. Let's take this title copy from our front end. Restaurant history. So here I'm gonna type restaurant history. I'm gonna take those text and go it in here, yeah. And we can upload. We could remove this image and make it from the static files. I think this will be better than this. So we need to alter this in our models. We need to remove this image field. And here, let's make migration and migrate again. Let's run our server. Yeah. Let's say save. Now we have restaurant history. Okay. We need to add chef, so we kinda need to add 3 or 4 chef. So here, James Smith, add a chef. The title, chef cook. The body, this is lorem ipsum, yeah. The image, let's open this image, save it. Let's upload it. This image. Let's hit save. We've added the first chef, and we've take a look at our app. Take a look at our media folder. We will see chef. If we open this, we will see this the image of our chef. Okay. Let's add a new chef. Add a chef. And let's take this lorem ipsum. And let's take this chef cook. And let's add his image. Okay, let's hit save. Let's add another one. So in this in here, and we have this information. Let's take his name, and let's upload the image. And let's hit save. Now we've added the 3 chefs, and here we're gonna need to add this quality. So I'm gonna take this copy. Why choose us? Yeah, let's add the first one, and let's add those text. Save and add another. this fresh food. Save and add another. And here the friendly stuff. Let's hit save. Now we've added the three information about which use us. Now we need to connect our database or our backend and the front end. We need to connect this page to our template. We need to connect this template to our views, and we need to create a URL for this page, a URL for about us, and we will do this in the next lecture. See you next lecture.